Hey everyone, welcome to Math for Science channel. Today I'll show you how to make a tornado in a bottle. Here's a bottle filled with water to the brim. I will empty it in the basin. Watch carefully. The water will not flow continuously, but in adjustment and starts. I will start this experiment again, but this time I'll rotate the bottle on a vertical axis. It empties faster, but that's not all. Let's look at this in detail. To empty a bottle, the air must return at the same time as the water flows. It can be seen that the first experiment, the rising air bubbles prevent the water from circulating continuously. The flow is in irregular jaws, just like the air that rises in the form of irregular bubbles. In the second experiment, we create a kind of tornado in the bottle. This tornado creates on this vertical axis a small surface without water. The air can therefore rise more easily, as the bottle can empty more quickly.